And the cast of musicians of Love Janice as well. We saw a little bit of Janice there.
Right there, yeah. It's a windy day for that hat.
This is the Experimental Aircraft Association.
A plane sponsored by local chapter 44 and 95 of the Experimental Aircraft Association, promoting and encouraging exposure to aviation.
You think if that plane got going fast enough, it could get airborne?
Oh, yeah.
I think you can get anything going fast enough, you can get it airborne.
We likely won't find that out today.
Looks like a fun ride, though, for the kids.
Yeah, some little tykes in the back there. And that must be